Tesla's radiator often gets clogged with leaves and debris and is a big maintenance task to clean those out. These debris come directly from the front grille as there are big gaps in there. Same with the top air intake. The big gap on the vent makes the leaves and debris get stuck on your HEPA filter and becomes a maintenance nightmare. That is why I'm going to be showing you a really awesome product today from EVBase that solves that problem. It is a mesh that we're going to put on the bottom as well as the top air vents that will basically block all the leaves or anything from getting in there. So one of my cousins recently picked up this 2026 Model Y Juniper, and he bought a bunch of accessories that he needs my help installing. So I'm going to be showing you all how to do some of this product. So this product comes from EVBase. We have reviewed a lot of their products in the past. Their wheel covers are absolutely best, and these are the two products we're going to be talking about here today. So my cousin bought this one. This is the top air vent here where it prevents leaves and everything from falling off from there on the top as well as the bottom. So we're going to be doing quick install of both of those, and as you can see, you can select the Highland versus Juniper. And if we go to the cart here for both of this product, I'm going to go to checkout so I can show you how you can save some money if you want to check it out. So it shows $89 for both of this, but if you go here and put SHIVA TESLA, so Shiva Tesla as a discount code, hit apply, $17, $18 goes down, bringing the total to $71.99. I'll let you be the judge, but let me show you how to do the install and what this product does. So the installation is ridiculously easy because there is just some clips that it's gonna go on top here. You don't even have to remove this top panel, you basically slide it. So if you look at it here, it takes the shape. So there's two that comes with the kit for one side each, and then you just come over here and you align this piece into its place like this, and then basically just push it down. So when you go around and then push this down, it clicks into its place, and that just becomes the air vent cover there. And then now you have one side already done. You just have to push it in. That's how simple this is. Now we're gonna go show you the other side. So we've done this side, and basically what this protects is for leaf going through. As you see that, because without the mesh, leaves kind of make it through this right here because there's just a slot. Here, it is not going to make it through because the mesh protects it. So that's the biggest benefit that you get from here, is not this leaves and everything that is ending up in your air vent down there, because it also has the HEPA filter in the front. So that's what you save with. Now, just like the other side, you just come in here, you align it here, and basically start pushing it in, and the pin is just going to go and click into its place. You may have to force it out just a little bit depending on where you're putting in. Like all of this are gone, but here you may have to kind of pop it in. So it's all done on the top here. As you see, it covers the vent and looks really nice, integrated there. Now let's move on to the bottom. Now the bottom one is exactly the same thing. So you just have to align it on the back here. So it comes in two pieces. So your job is going to be to bring this in, those two pieces together, and then you merge it so that it comes through, and then you push it in here. So if you look at it, the pin there, it goes through, and then you push it through this little hole, and if you look at it, it clips into its place. So then now this becomes a big giant panel that we can install, and it already has the places for the side there, so it kind of puts into its place, and super easy. You just take this here, and then we will align it into its place there, like this. There you go. If you look at it there, you just push it in, it goes through, and pretty much done. Super simple, and now it protects your air vent here. This is really strong. It's not going to come out because there are clips that went in, and it is super secure in its place. So once you're done, it looks like this. So now you have a mesh on your grill down there. So your radiator is not going to get as much leaves, and hopefully even bigger dirt particle that you can prevent. But super simple, and it works. So what do you all think about this product? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, your likes, your dislikes, any feedback for EVBase. I hope that they make this product for other cars as well, like the older cars, because they don't make it for the older Model Ys or 3s. It is only applicable for the Juniper right now. So I hope they open it up for other cars as well in the future. But overall, a great strategy. I think this is a great maintenance item that is applicable for your car. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and come back again soon.